Hey guys, Matt here. Just want to do a follow-up video. Got my gun mount installed and a couple of things. Wanted to update everybody on. Man, there are a bunch of dirt daubers in my blind. Flying around my head. I hope you can see. One thing, I use lag bolts on these 2x4s and I got it, they're kind of slipping. So I may have to go with a different style of bolt there if it continues to give me problems. The only other thing that I've noticed is that these bolts that I used here, they tend to loosen up, even though I used washers and everything. And which is why I used wing nuts. I was just going to hand tighten them, but the bottom slips. And so I've ordered me off of Amazon a thin, or what they call a skinny wrench that will slip over this nut or the end of this bolt here at the bottom. That's the only style of bolt that I can find here locally in town. But anyway, the skinny wrench will fit over that right there. And I'll just keep it here in the blind with me. And when I need to tighten them up, I'll slip the wrench over that end and just hand tighten the tops. Other than that, the only other thing I would have done is bring your gun with you so that you can line everything up properly. I forgot to bring my gun. I was in a rush to get down here and get it installed, and forgot to bring my gun with me. I think I got it lined up pretty good with the top of the window, but just bring your gun with you so that you can make sure and get it lined up properly. Other than that, everything installed pretty good. I think I got it level, but you can just kind of eyeball it, and then since this right here is a ball mount, you can loosen it up and correct for any slight problems with it right here. This little adjustment will let you tilt. So if you're off just a little bit, you can correct for any problems with it. I'm sure it's not exactly level, but it's good enough for just to eyeball it, and then you can level it out with the ball mount. So anyway, all right, guys. I just wanted to update everybody on this video, on the build video, and got it installed. It's solid. It's not going to go anywhere. I think it'll be okay to hold my gun, so we'll see. I was going to go hunting tonight, but I think with all the racket and everything I made down here, probably not going to have anything come in. And looking at the weather forecast, and it looks like we got rain coming in anyway, so that's all the more reason to I can always hunt pigs another day. So anyway, take care, and if you like these types of videos, please like and subscribe. I'll have more content and more pig hunting videos and all that good type of stuff. More, definitely more habitat videos, tree videos, that type of stuff. If y'all have seen any of my content, you know that I love growing trees and all that type of stuff. So anyway, please like and subscribe and help me grow the channel. Take care. God bless.